What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, you know, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some of viewers and subscribers, why I say we're the attacking boss coming under a lot of pressure, you know. Yeah, man. A lot of people say attacking boss. Me answer from me right now. You know what I mean? Because my viewers and my subscribers, the truth are the truth, you know. You understand? And the way we attack the truth, a lot of people now go rate it, a lot of people now go like it. See? And it's because some people don't read with understanding, and it's because some people don't know what a vlogger job is, my viewers and subscribers. They always going to get the thing twisted. But you see me, because anytime I do a vlog, my people, I don't know what time it is and I don't know what to expect. So I just continue to do my work, my viewers and subscribers, and just have to say big up to the real ones them out there. You don't know the thing go. See? Alright. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, and when me I got really talk about now, people, only Jah sees and he knows now, my people. You understand? Because I'm from Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. Travel overseas, travel back and forth to my beautiful country. You understand? Travel to a lot of different countries around the world, same speed, my people. Enjoy different cultures and everything. You understand? And always happy for when I travel and see other Jamaicans making life in other countries, my viewers and subscribers. Just like how other people from other nations would have come in our beautiful country, come make life as well. Zane? But one of the worst thing now, people, is when we do leave our country, my viewers and subscribers, and go in another man's country and go do some really stupid things now, some crazy things now, my people, and make things bad and sour for other people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. So, I'm talking about now, people, this Jamaican now, my viewers and subscribers, who them say over in New York, come some boom now, go try to rob a Burger King store, my people. You understand? With a gun or something, and during this robbery thing now, my people, he managed to come so boom, shot a 19-year-old female to death, my viewers and subscribers. See? Because them say, done over the weekend now, people, previous weekend, you understand? He managed to come so boom, go down in the store, you know, people, Burger King over there in New York, demand cash. See? At the time, it is late done in the morning, them say sometime after 1 in the morning, people. So, the only part money then did them, viewers and subscribers. So, them say the cashier girl comes a boom, go in the pan now, and come up with $100. Them same demanded more, my viewers and subscribers, while she was bending scared for her life. Like he must say, $100, that not good. See? And them say, come, the girl like she comes a boom for dip again, people. Him get so angry, senselessly now, my people, and use him peace, and shot the girl to death. See? And them said this same thing and our people who is a Jamaican people, you understand, was employed to this place over 2 years ago. He used to work at the same Burger King over them people. And the female now, the local 19-year-old girl now, people, them say she just start work in November gone last year, 2021. And them have her on the graveyard shift, which is 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning, which she was begging and asking if they could remove her from that shift because she just don't feel safe on the shift. She was asking people, but them still have her on the shift. And see the people, her 3 points gone. All because of what? One idiot, one senseless, one stupid, one fool Jamaican. You know what I mean? And my viewers and subscribers, I've seen some videos when police are take him out and them go for him and lock him up from people, because after them check CCTV footage, people, and check everything, they found out that he's the real perpetrator behind it, my viewers and subscribers. Because this is USA, my people, and you don't know, so once and them get some camera footage, my people, even though them have a mask on face, them know how to go behind that mask and get the true recognition of these perpetrators, my viewers and subscribers. See? And they manage to crack the shell, my people. Find out, see, it do it now. And when then comes a boom now, people, and go for my viewers and subscribers, me now go play the video, people, but me I go play the audio from the video clippings and hear the words them out time out, my people. When the people, because angry people was out there outside where them go for harassing people. Because everybody angry about the whole situation. People want to catch him to finish him off themselves. People want to catch him to deal with him off themselves, people. Because people don't feel good about the whole thing. If you know, say this thing now, my people. Left Jamaica, go in a New York now, people, where everybody left to go for your better life. No matter if somebody take him up for parents or whoever take him up the people. But you go for your better life. And see the road we choose, so we are going to go to destroy other people's life. So my people, listen to the local audio clip here now.
That's hurting. No problem, officer. Why am I guilty and the judge charge me guilty? Why am I guilty? Do you know they charge me just for things that I do every day? Where's our resident? Wait, you gonna start a war? You gonna start a war with you guys even by midnight? You gonna start a war?
Some viewers and subscribers, some word we are come out time out, even though you hear the perp and you know them are cut out the words and people. But this is how this the nonsense them when I talk. But them tell lie from black people 400 years ago and this and that, and white people do this to black people and get angry and tell the people if you want this and that. And you understand the people, when people don't know see it do it. You understand, because after real rough investigations and everything, my people, the police them know see him do it. So they talk about them a frame black people 400 years ago through slavery and this and that, people. Come on. But honestly, my viewers and subscribers, boy, it look like sitting around with the headpiece, you know. Because them they sitting on the way how my behave and I go on, sitting around with the headpiece. But honestly, my people, no joke about it. Me still not have no leniency upon it. Me say me still not have no leniency upon it. See? All on the headpiece though good. All on the headpiece done mad cause disease, me not have no leniency upon it, my people. See? Because now we are too heartless, too cruel. You go for rap sitting. Eh? We are not for do thief. See? You get $100, but you expect $1 million. You expect 100 mil, right? And you manage. You demanded more, you know. And the girl comes up, boom, I go for his, you know what I mean? And so we are today. Senseless. She never deserved this. 19-year-old little girl don't live no life yet. And you manage to take away the little girl 3 points. Eh? Yo, my people, me I tell you say no. Me sorry. Then they hold it and deal with it, my viewers and so. But me I hope say the most harshest and the most crueltiest punishment they could ever have, them deal with it. Because them sin thing stop food for other people. And them sin thing make things get harder and more restrictions there when people forget their local chance who want a better life and go overseas. You understand? Sin thing like them make the thing bad for others. Same thing. Eh? I remember we have younger generations them will come up in my people where we look forward for a better life, you know. And when them are sitting here keep on damage everything, we expect to go happen. Things are gonna get rougher, things are gonna get harder, things are gonna get tougher for a future youth them who will come up and want to come so boom and go for better. All because of something like them and my people. And I attack for that. Straight attack. Zin, no leniency, no play, no crew with the attack, that NEWLINK. Attack every strand I hear in our head. Attack panic, my people. Eh? So you're looking at the eye when I tell me see give a smile, people, if you don't look through the images that I post. And look pan one of the something them face and for you see it face. For you see it look, people. You see evil. You see guilt. You see murder. You see killer. You see wickedness, crueltiness. Oh my burl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack it now, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Look how the little girl nice. Eh? Just imagine what the families is going through right now. fellow student who she used to go to school with. Because when I see these little girl, no people, most time, you know, and them look a part-time job them do, you know. You understand? And for know, sadly, people, she did a beg for come off of this graveyard thing. She was asking, you know. And this is why me say, I not believe in a woman are doing this graveyard thing, my people. I do something what I not believe in. You understand? Me know say like hospital and them thing, the different doctor. But like in these fast food outlet people, me not believe woman for the day I do them as something here. Because them say at the time, people, it was she, her manager, and 2 customers. Them say the same thing comes about manager lick the manager. You understand in him face with him gun. And manager lick one of the customer also. And that's where they comes about and demanded money, my people. The little girl comes boom, reach on in there. And he wasn't employed here while she was employed here, my people. While she just employed here. Because them say over 2 years ago him used to work the people. Him not work no more. But the police them know say the boy in a things too. Because them say them have 4 other criminal things upon him people. With gun also included. You know what I mean? So the boy was a trouble. It was a problem. I'm just sorry say never go the other way. Police clean it up over there. No joke, my people. No joke. Eh? Too cruel, too wicked, man. Them are saying things and make things bad for others, man. I mean, say a lot of youth now, a lot of people now, you understand, a lot of we look at print system and pray the same thing. Even though we feel it, we heart and we have one, but now pray, oh, them something and just do them something over and over and make things bad for other people. Eh? It's too heartless and cruel, man, and wicked. Jaja says, Jaja knows, my people. You see, in this world, you know, my viewers and subscribers, me I tell us, evil Lego all about my people. And you see them in a clean clothes, you see them and them do this and them do that, people, but now, just look out. Keep your eye open up, my people, and you're going out and you're coming in, put God first. Remember me always tell my people, because evil stir up out there, put God first. When you step out, when you step in, people, ask him for guidance and protection for you and all your loved ones, them, my people, because, yo, evil stir up. So you see right now, my people, I just want to pour out and send out my condolences to the family of this 19-year-old deceased, and may our soul rest in peace. And if you see that same thing on my paper, as I say, I hope them give it a cheer, I hope them give it ejection, I hope them give it current. I say, I hope them give me rope, everything I can think of them for give people. And all when it are dead, enough to finish dead. You understand? Just a get for y'all 2 weeks, so then just finish it off. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But people, please remember, do subscribe, do like, do share, comment. You understand? Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, my people. Yo, I'm just a big up to the real ones, them again. You see for the fake ones, them, attack for honor. No joke, my people. Peace out. Enough love and enough respect. One attack, one scheme, one dream, one team, one attacking boss. I'm out.